I say solid, I promise I won't ever fold. Been know by the streets since I was 8 years old. Mama told me never trip by these hoes. At the end of the day, they ain't buy your clothes. Late night thinking about selling my soul. What the fuck I'ma have if I take that road? So look. Oh shit. Say my intro for me, bro. Say it. Say it. What are you two? It's boy Super Cool, aka Lil Dexter. See, you said it too fast. You gotta wait. Now I got to start that over. You two, it's boy Super Cool, aka Lil Dexter. Wester. See, that's where you supposed to come in. But it's like a pause in that shit. You supposed to Dexter. Wait a few seconds. Wester. Know what I mean? Alright, one more time. What are you two? It's your boy Super Cool, aka Lil Dexter. Wester. Bro, you got the fucking time of a white person. Look, we just gonna continue with the video, man. So look, y'all, we finna go to Academy real quick. Get some targets. I ain't never tell y'all where we was going, but we finna go to the gun range. I remember one of my videos last year, somebody had said they wanted to see more videos of me shooting guns and shit. So I'm gonna give him what he want. I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we get to our destination. Y'all should already know where we at, bro. We at Academy with it. Type shit. Look at this dude. Let's do it, bro. Finna go in this bitch get some motherfucking targets. Cause why the fuck would we just go out there, bitch, and just shoot at night? It's called practice, man. Let's do it. Where the fuck the targets at? They got bullets right here. They gonna copyright the shit out of me. Let me turn this bitch off. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Just went in that bitch and got the targets. And I got a few goddamn, bullets out there, bitch. I didn't want to just shoot all my shit up. So. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get to y'all when we get to the range. Had messed around and came to guns and ammo, so my brother can get some more ammo for his y'all ain't even see what type of gun he got. I ain't gonna tell y'all what type of gun he got. I'm gonna just show y'all when we get to the range. But he came here to get some bullets. Cause Academy, they was way too motherfucking high, boy. 120 for some bullets. That's OD as hell.
I need your love, girl, I need your touch. I try to hold on, but the time's not enough. I really don't ask for shit too much. Time's running low, please hurry up. I know you'll be by my side. I know everything's alright. We go places, different sides. You're in my dreams every night. Pour that bottle with some ice. Let's go out, let's dress up now.
Made it here, man. Damn, I ain't unlocked my door. I mean my trunk. We finally made it here, man. South Sandy shooting range. This ain't nothing new to y'all, man. Y'all done seen me come to the gun range I don't know how many times. Let me grab my check out the trunk. Oh yeah, we finna get out though, for sure, for sure. So I'm saying I just put the target out there, you know what I mean?
Watch yourself, bitch.
She a little disrespectful. That be loud as hell. Mom. I'm gonna go peep the scene. That smell like gunfire. Y'all see what the fuck going on? See, look, this ain't my box, so whoever was shooting that shit, that's over there. We got a headshot, know what I'm saying, 2 chest shots, in here collarbone, know what I mean? and caught him in the stomach type shit. My damn ears ringing like a bitch. So look, y'all. You finna shoot your shit yet? You finna shoot yours? Y'all seen how I'm rocking, man. Y'all seen what I did, bro. We finna change up what's the name so he can shoot his shit. So y'all can see how he looking with the aim. So y'all how little brother get out. He got the scope on his shit. Y'all know how to aim that bit now. Ooh. That bit loud as hell. That dude.
Hell, I can't even hear no more.
That's why I put these things in my ear. Let's go see how you did, man. Let's go see if he hitting shit.
That's it, that scope. Yeah, I might have to take that damn scope off.
I don't even got no scope on my shit no more.
Yeah, I got to take that scope off. That bit accurate.
What?
That's what I'm saying.
Damn.
Scope right there in the middle. That bit ain't hit the middle not one time.
Ain't hit shit.
I think I'm gonna take that scope off. I can't hear.
Bro, that's why I put these things in my ear. Let me shoot that motherfucker, man. You don't know how to shoot that hoe. I'm gonna show you how to do it. They want me to aim down, bro, because it's the only way I can be able to see with this hoe.
You know what I'm saying? Let me go put some money on it.
The fuck, bro? I hip farted this motherfucker before I got down aim with the damn scope. Some bitch bullshit. Bitch on safety.
That's the clip. The clip finna fall out.
Show the fuck you. Damn. No, I ain't got no AR. Oh, it's on fire.
Pull the trigger.
I just pulled that motherfucker.
Right there.
Hold on, gotta get
You home that mouth.
Come on, paper, goddamn. Safety. Put on I was aiming for straight chest shots.
I was there, that's great chest. Yeah, I'm taking the scope on my
I was
shit.
aiming for straight chest shot. Get what I hit. Get what I hit, nigga. But don't play with me, bro. Real fucking shooter, boy. On my mom. I really will kill your ass, man. I can see, man, look. I hit what I aimed for. I was aiming for straight chest shots, bro, with the tech. That's all, what y'all just seen. But I will kill your ass. Quit playing with me, man. I done this shooting shit. Look, this shit off, bro. I'm trying to see if I shoot that bitch, am I gonna miss all my shots too, bro? Look, so you gonna have to, you really gonna have to, what's his name, this bitch? Bro, I hate the damn scope. Can't see shit.
Alright. Alright, you don't put your face to it.
That's the only way I can be able to shoot this bitch though. If I hold this hoe like this. Let me see if that shot hit though. God damn, that bitch hit me. Nigga, that shit did not hit. Yeah, you gonna have to judge that bitch. What the fuck?
Cause I know I ain't missing like that.
Oh God, I ain't straight for the chest too.
That's what I
Man,
be
that bitch
doing.
hit me in the middle of my shit.
Shit, I pounding like a motherfucker.
Nah, it don't hurt.
I'm gonna take that bit off. It's just that scope on
Look, he was using my tech. Look.
Get that scope. I gotta take that scope off.
That bitch hit though. On God, that tech accurate as fuck. Yeah, my tech back there. I ain't gonna lie, that tech hit way harder than my last one.
Sorry, that tech.
Yeah,
On
yeah.
God, that bitch do knock
That
me
bitch
over.
was hitting my ass hard as fuck. Oh, let me see how I do with that bit. Now the rifle, that's what I'm used to, goddamn. I don't really shoot no pistol. Look at that shit. Look at this bitch now. I get the tech now, I'm tearing shit up. I tried to hit his ass in the head right there, I missed that bit. My body shot, boy, your ass not running from me. She gonna get crucial ass for your ass. I gotta get a headshot before I leave this motherfucker. I keep hearing bodies. I'm finna aim for the head to see if I hit that motherfucker. Cause from back here it looks small as hell. Like y'all can see on the camera, it looks small as a motherfucker from a distance. Zoom in a little bit. It looks small as hell when you zoom. Man, that's crazy. But let me see if I can get a headshot, y'all. I'm finna get back to y'all. I hit that bitch a few times. I'm finna go check when we hit the red light. I get wait. God damn, but that shit loud as hell, boy. See what he's shooting out in this motherfucker. That's like an AR. Ooh, he knocking that bitch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He clicking that bitch. He clicking that motherfucker on good. Oh yeah. Hey, come on now. Come on, quit playing with me, bro. I missed that bitch though a few times.
But that big hit some.
But I hit some.
That bitch want to hit right here when I aim down. But they don't want to hit the man straight to it.
Oh God, I hate your gun. That bitch, your gun ass.
I just add that scope.
I don't like that bit. Now yeah, if I can't hit with that motherfucker, there's something wrong with that shit for sure. All these damn shotgun shells though.
You aim for the head, the neck.
Chest up.
I was aiming for the chest, you know.
We'll know which ones are for sure. So look, we finna go. I shot up all the bullets, but before we go out there and get some footage of them down here, bro. They cool people. I put them on the chump. What's up, man? I just came out here to get some footage of y'all real quick. What y'all shooting over here, man?
What's that?
What y'all shooting over here?
No, it's all good. It's all good. We don't like the camera, buddy.
Oh, I got you.
It's all good.
That boy definitely 12. No cap. Hey, when he said, we don't like the cameras, buddy.
We don't like the camera, buddy.
Like I heard in his, like you feel me, in his voice, bro. He definitely 12. Goddamn, I can't cap to you. Oh, he got that long ass gun. Like, they got them sticks over there though. Oh man, I got it on camera for sure. Yeah, I got to see that. I don't know what the hell that boy was shooting. I tried to get a closer look at that shit. Oh man, I'm gonna go back and watch this and see though. Look, We got my twin in the back. They trying to drive fast and shit, bro. Like, slow that motherfucker down, bro. Y'all see him right there to the right. Trying to drive fast. He seen me in the same car. Now, look at him. Trying to speed up. Hold on. Let me see if I can catch him. He trying to speed up and shit. On the pavement. I'ma let you. Oh yeah. I don't see his eye no more.
Oh, you right there.
That nigga crazy.
First play. Blah 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 blah.